Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated September 9, 2022. Indian equity markets rose today with Nifty giving a close around 17,833. At close, SENSEX was up 105 points with a change of 0.18% at 59,793 points. Markets open gap up with Nifty opening around 17,925. Three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Tech Mahindra, Adani Ports and Infosys. Out of these, two are from IT sector. These three stocks rose between 2.45% to 3.43% today. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Ultratech, Siemens M&M and SBI Life. They fell within the range of 1.51% to 1.9%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have ZYDUS Life Sciences Limited has acquired rights to market monoferric injection used to treat iron deficiency in adult patients in India and Nepal from Denmark-based Pharmacosmos AS. Monoferric is indicated for the treatment of iron deficiency in adult patients when oral iron preparations are ineffective or cannot be used, or where there is a clinical need to deliver iron rapidly, the company said in a regulatory filing. Pharmaceuticals firm LUPIN Limited has launched the generic sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate and magnesium sulfate oral solution used for cleansing colon as a preparation for colonoscopy in the U.S. market following approval from the country's health regulator. The approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (US FDA) is for sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate and magnesium sulfate oral solution of strength 17.5 gram, 3.13 gram, 1.6 gram per 6 ounces. Utility major NTPC Limited has signed a pact to supply renewable energy to India's armed forces, the Ministry of Power said in a statement. Under the deal, NTPC will supply to the Military Engineering Services, a construction and maintenance agency, and one of the pillars of Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army that provides rear-line engineering support to the armed forces. Reliance Power on Thursday said that it would raise 933 rupees crore through a private placement of shares to VFSI Holdings, an affiliate of investment firm Vard Partners. The announcement comes within days of Reliance Power stating that it would raise up to 1,200 rupees crore from Vard Partners, a global alternative investment firm specializing in credit and credit-related assets. Reliance Jio is close to finalizing its contract with telecom gearmaker Ericsson to roll out its 5G network in Mumbai and Maharashtra and Kolkata and West Bengal in the first phase of its launch in October. And it is going with Nokia for the lucrative Delhi Circle and Chennai, which includes Tamil Nadu, say sources aware of the development. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited gained for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 894.35 rupees, up 0.01% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited has dropped around 2.76% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.86 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 24.14 lakh shares in last 1 month. Dr. Reddys Laboratories Limited is up for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 4,290.1 rupees, up 0.43% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Dr. Reddys Laboratories Limited has risen around 1.1% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 1.8 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 3.42 lakh shares in last 1 month. CIPLA Limited rose for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 1,062.35 rupees, up 0.6% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. CIPLA Limited has gained around 2.31% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.1 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 13.37 lakh shares in last 1 month. JSW Steel Limited is up for a fifth straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 690.05 rupees, up 0.69% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. JSW Steel Limited has added around 2.98% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 27.54 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 25.74 lakh shares in last 1 month. Bank of Maharashtra gained for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 18.85 rupees, up 0.8% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Bank of Maharashtra has risen around 11.21% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 30.48 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 30.36 lakh shares in last 1 month. Punjab National Bank is up for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 39.5 rupees, up 3% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Punjab National Bank has gained around 19.7% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 440.25 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 386.59 lakh shares in last 1 month.